Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of shape. A person or thing's external appearance, contours or outline. For example, she liked the shape of his nose. The second definition of shape. A geometric figure, such as a rectangle, triangle, square or triangular. For example, families come in all kinds of shapes and sizes and configurations. American pronunciation. Shape. Shape. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Shape. Say. Shape. Shape means external form, contours, or outline of person or thing. Shape. Shape. Shape origin. Old English geskap, external form, also known as creation, skeppen, create, both of Germanic origin. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The shapes, crisp outlines and clear, near-obsessive glyphs are quite exquisite. Now, repeat after me. The shapes, crisp outlines and clear, near-obsessive glyphs are quite exquisite. The second practice. The normal, healthy shape of the spine is a very gentle S-curve. Now, repeat after me. The normal, healthy shape of the spine is a very gentle S-curve. Visual representation of shape. Shape means a person or thing's external appearance, contours or outline.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.